Hi everyone, this is Kamal the Builder again. Welcome to yet another video. Today we are going to tour an ADU that we're building in the Bay Area, and we'll talk a little bit about how we design it. We'll give you a tour on the outside, we'll give you a tour on the inside, so we'll get into some details. Before we start, I'd like to say that each project is different. Whether we are doing a remodel, an addition, or an ADU, the project is different, and it depends on a whole bunch of factors. You know, customer preferences, what would your city allow, what are the requirements of your city, you know, what's the scope of your project, and all that stuff. So in terms of an ADU, the project depends also on the location of the ADU, the size of the ADU, how you meet city requirements, and things like that. So with that, let's start quickly a tour of the outside. First, I'll point out to you that this particular ADU has a certain foundation. There are many types of foundations that we can build, and we'll go into those details in a different video. But for this ADU, keep in mind that it's built on a concrete foundation, and there are steps in front of the ADU. We haven't built the steps yet, it's just a ramp. The next step for us is to build the steps, and we'll do that. And in addition to the foundation, I'll point out to you various utility connections. For example, this is where the sewer pipe comes in. This is considered a sewer clean out, and under the foundation we have the sewer connections. Similarly, on the side, I'll point out to you connections for gas, water, and electric. So let's go on the side of the ADU and I'll point those out to you. On this side of the ADU, we have the electrical panel for the ADU, and as you can see, that's the electrical panel of the ADU. A standard panel that we put in all our ADUs is a 100 amp panel, and if the home is currently having a 100 amp panel, we have to upgrade it to at least a 200 amp panel. So here's a 100 amp panel. We have underground conduit that gets the electric cable from the main electric panel of the house, and that cable essentially ends up here. And then we have a gas connection. This is how the gas will be connected. We already put in a gas pipe underground, so that's that. We have a water connection. This is how the ADU gets water, so that also is underground, so you don't see the pipe outside. That all has been done while we were doing the foundation. And then finally, just here is a pad for the HVAC. That's where the air conditioner goes in. We have the ducts coming out. We have some electrical connections for something else, and we have some electrical connections for power and control for the HVAC system. This particular ADU is special because the city required us to also have fire sprinklers. So inside this box is the connection for the fire sprinklers, power, water pressure meter, and things like that. It's locked from the inside, so I'm not able to open it right now. And then this is something for testing the fire sprinkler system. Once we have the final inspection, the fire department will be here and they'll perform this test. So let's go now inside the ADU, and I'll give you a tour on the inside. Is just shy of 800 square feet. It takes us about 3 months to build an ADU like this, and we are now in the living room. As you can see, we have finished so far the foundation work, the subfloor work, the framing, the electrical, rough electrical work inside the walls. We finished the rough plumbing work inside the walls. We are kind of halfway through drywall. We've already done insulation as well, and the drywall texture will be the next thing that will get applied, and then we'll have paint, and then we'll start hanging the cabinets. So in this ADU, here's the living room, and this is the future kitchen. Once we start putting the kitchen together, we'd love to bring you in and you can see the rest of it. There'll be an island here, and we have pendant lights for the island, so we have connections for the lights. We'll have can lights here, pendant lights here for the island, and these can lights basically will be part of the kitchen. The refrigerator connection is here, water connection for the refrigerator, electrical connection for the refrigerator. This is like a breakfast nook with a sliding door to the outside, and we'll build a little deck on the outside for barbecuing and stuff. And when we show you outside, there's also a gas connection and a water connection outside, so it'll be a nice comfortable place outdoors with a breakfast nook here, refrigerator, cabinets. The main kitchen sink will be right here. There's some connections for the sink behind me. That window opens to the outside, and of course counter space, countertops here, and the cooking range will be here. So you have a gas connection here, and then this connection is for the vent. There'll be a vent here and with the vent hood, and then this particular pipe will take any of that exhaust into the outside. So this basically is a quick tour of the kitchen, and you'll have cabinets all around me, and then going this way with a sink and refrigerator. And then as you come this way, here is a laundry room, and again everything's been built to the customer's requirements. Here's a laundry room. This will be a laundry door and a couple of closets here for laundry, and then a stackable washer dryer, and you can come and look inside. That's a closet, this is a closet, and here you'll see a gas connection here for the dryer. You have an electric connection for the dryer as well, connection for the washer, electrical connections, and then water connections here, hot and cold for the dryer. So that's basically is the place for a stackable washer and dryer. And then this is the main bedroom. This particular one is an HVAC air conditioning system, split system. So you have control and power coming here. That system will be mounted here, and then inside the bedroom the other part of that system would be mounted here. So we have the same connection here, and the bedroom now has a door that opens into the bathroom, and I can quickly give you a tour of the bathroom, and you can see it's a nice size comfortable bedroom for a single bedroom ADU. And again, everything's been built to the customer requirements. This particular customer wanted a linen closet, a small linen closet inside the bathroom. It's to my right, and then a door will come here, and then I'm basically facing the future vanity and a medicine cabinet here. This is going to be a vanity, so we have a drain connection, water connections here, power connections. A lot of this is required by code, so we have that. The toilet seat will come here. And then we've built and have gotten inspected what's called a shower pan, and we'll put tiles, and you'll see how pretty this shower will look. I helped the customer pick the tiles that we'll be using in the shower, and that'll be here. The shower valve will be here, the shower will be here, and then you see a bench behind me. This bench has been built so that the customer's relative who's aging will be able to use this shower while sitting down and be able to enjoy the experience. So that really is a small bathroom in the ADU, but fully functional, and we'll have a nice glass door. So when you come back, you'll see how pretty this shower is going to look. And then the other door into the bedroom here goes into a closet, and this particular customer has a relative who wanted a reasonably good sized closet. So that's a walk-in closet, and within the closet you see there's an access to the crawl space under me, and then there's access to the ceiling above me. So basically that provides access, and of course we have switches and lights and all that good stuff in each room. So that basically concludes our tour of the ADU. We've shown you things as they're getting built. Once the finishes are in place, cabinets are in place, the stone is in place in the kitchen, we'll bring you back, and then we'll give you yet another tour, and you'll see how pretty this looks, this ADU that's almost 800 square feet. Thank you so much for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that as we upload more videos, you'll be notified of more videos. Thank you so much for being with us. I'm here to help you in any way possible. Let's go build something.